Hi, everybody. It's Miss Farkas, and I'm waiting for the Demo 2 launch on Wednesday, May 27th, which is what our assignment is about this week. Let me share my screen and give you instructions. So, if you look at your class instructions, and these are for Makerspace, Breakerspace, and EcoHope this week. Next week, we'll be back to Miss Elamont's amazing lessons. But for now, you get me. So when I look at the week 6 folder, I see Watch, Commercial Crew Program. What's the Commercial Crew Program? Well, I'll show you. The Commercial Crew Program is NASA's program to partner with private space companies to get more things into space, to the International Space Station, to take us to the moon, to take us to Mars. They've brought in private companies to help us bolster our funding in this area. So this video will explain to you what it's all about. That's where the first link takes you. The second link is a Demo 2 preview video from CNET. CNET is a great science and technology resource, and I wanted to share something that didn't come directly from NASA. This video, that's about 4.5 minutes, tells you what SpaceX has gone through to get to this point with the capsule that will be launching on Wednesday, May 27th. The next link says watch and read, and that takes us to how SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule and the Demo 2 mission works in 13 easy steps. Now, this has tons of information. It also has some cool mini videos. Feel free to use it, to look at it, to read it, whatever you might need. But our goal this week is to watch the live launch of the Demo 2 mission on Wednesday, May 27th. It's scheduled to launch at 4:36 p.m. from Kennedy Space Center, but that might be delayed. It might be scrapped. But I want you to log on to this link live at NASA TV, and it'll look like this at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. So this is like going on a virtual field trip. I realize that some of us have our Zoom meetings at that time. They will be rescheduled because this is way more important. This is living history. Humans have not launched from the United States since 2011. So this is amazing. The other links that you will find, and here is the launch link for NASA TV. After we watch that launch, here's a post-launch Google form. That's your assignment this week. Go in, fill out the form with the information that you've learned from watching the videos, reading the article, and watching the launch. If for some reason you cannot watch the launch live on Wednesday, anytime after that, you just need to Google search Demo 2 launch, and you're going to find videos of it. But answers to these questions can be found in all of these links. Now, if watching this launch or doing the virtual field trip for some reason isn't possible for you, then here is your alternate assignment. It is, come on technology, catch up with me, to design, illustrate, and build a replica of the Demo 2 rocket and capsule using household materials. Items that are good to use are paper towel rolls, paper made into tubes, toilet paper rolls, plastic drink bottles, etc. The capsule itself can be made out of paper, cardboard, foil, clay. The sky is the limit, pun intended. Remember, before you build, you need to illustrate the rocket and label the bejesus out of it. Then, submit a photo showing both your illustration and model in the same picture to the alternate assignment link in Schoology. That link is here. It's the last one down here. And I will use that for also keeping track of who has filled out their Google form. If you do the Google form, you don't have to do anything else. I will just track it in this assignment link. Now, I can't wait until you guys get as excited about a live launch as I do. And I hope to see you live. I'll be streaming on that NASA Live TV as well as on Twitter. And if you want to tweet any questions, you do it to #LaunchAmerica. Ooh, one last thing. If you are as much of a space nerd as me, here's a link for you to go to Launch America through a virtual guest experience. When you click that link, it takes you here where you can register to get regular updates about the missions. But more importantly, it gives you all these different virtual tours you can take from Launch Complex 39A, where it's going to actually launch from, all the way to taking a closer look at some different simulations from NASA spacecrafts or visiting astronaut training facilities. So if this is your thing, here's some more stuff for you to check out. But watch the videos, read the article, But most importantly, join us for the live launch live on NASA TV between 4 and 5 p.m. If the launch is scrubbed, I'll let you know what to do after the fact. Hope everybody is staying home, staying safe, and staying healthy. Until next time.